Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Abby McKenna. I just started YouTube yesterday and I got so many views and so many likes and so many subscribers. I'm actually loving it at the moment. I'm so happy and I'm full of joy. So just keep on doing that, guys. You're able to do it. If I get to 40 likes, I know you'll do it. If I get 40 likes, I know it's a bit little, but I know it's a bit much as well for me. If I get 40 likes, 40 likes, I will think of a name to call you because I don't like saying. And I'll give people. Comment down below if you want a shout out, okay? Comment down below. I know you can do it. So this is my dog, Cookie. Cookie, say hello.
And you know her already?
You know her already from yesterday's vlog. I did know. Cookie, stop being so aggressive. I do know. I said yesterday I'm going. So I do know yesterday I told you guys that I'm only uploading Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, but with all the love and support I think I'll be able to upload every single day. So here I am. It's actually night time right now and I think we're setting off fireworks. So yeah, that's good. And if we are, I'll film that. And yeah. So if we're doing that, I'll just talk until we're setting off the fireworks, if we are, and if not, I'll leave sooner. We're gonna go downstairs and go outside, okay? So this is my stairs. Sorry about the background noise. This is my scooter. So yeah. Don't mind the mess in the back garden, but yeah. We have clothes outside. We have no dryer. Okay. Gee. No, turn on the light. So it's pitch dark outside, like there's our light. Like, sorry about the background noise, I said already. So we actually live over the wall. Show me this. We actually, over our wall, there's like a forest kind of thing. And I think we're going to be lighting the fireworks in there if we are lighting them. Now, I don't know if we're going to light them or not. It's up to my dad. We'll see what mood he's in. We'll see if he wants to light the fireworks. Now, we might be lighting them tomorrow, so I can show you that video tomorrow. But I have a new video coming up. I hope it's this week, but it might be next week. Trying out some products from Wish for me and Cookie. So I'm so excited for that. That will be a sit-down video, my first sit-down video. I'll be doing more sit-down videos, like trying other products. I like doing trying American foods or American candy, whatever you want to call it. And down Halloween, and we're going to be doing challenges and pranks. So I'm thinking of doing a prank on my dad this week. Oh, so my brother just fell. Get him inside. Sorry about that. You're okay. You're okay. Cookie. Look what she has to do. So yes, as I said, I think I'm going to prank my dad this week. And I'm so excited. So Dad, if you're watching this video, you don't know when I'm going to prank you, so it doesn't matter. Haha, it may not be this week, but it may be next week. And I'm so excited for the Wish video. It might be in 3 weeks, it might be in 2 weeks. I hope it's this week, but I'm pretty sure it won't be. I hope my packages come this week and not next week or the week after, because yeah, we'll be. I actually have this friend here, and show them what you're able to do. So we're gonna go up to a local park, and we're gonna be pranking teenagers on the finest day we could, like the finest weather we could, because we need the good weather. Well, we kind of need issues. Or yeah, if we're playing a football match, or if we just cycle up to the complex, like, or not up to the complex, up to our local park. But yeah, so yeah, there's Cookie. She's going bonkers. Like, she does this thing in the nighttime where she just gets really hyper and like just runs like around the place. So yeah. She's eating people's shoes at the moment. I don't know why she's doing that. I think you see, she's finished feeding, but I still don't know why she's doing that. So Dad, if you're like, oh, how dare she's gonna prank me during the week, I'm gonna know. It might be next week, it might be this week. You don't know yet. So Dad, I'm pretty sure you're gonna be watching this video. And yeah, this is Cookie playing. So it's like, what time is it at the moment?
It's like 8 o'clock.
It's 10 to 8, and I say we're going to be lighting fireworks soon. It's a very nice night out. Like, it's fine, it's not raining, so there's no reason not to light the fireworks, really. So, yeah, I just love doing YouTube now because... But yeah, we only have basically 14 fireworks because they let out 7 at once. But we only have 2 packets. Basically 14 because they leave out 7 at once. Yeah?
Yeah.
So, Cookie's in her little house. Cookie, say hello. So, oh yeah, we dug up Cookie's house, but she wrecked it. That was supposed to be a telly back there, and then that was hanging off the roof, but it's not anymore, so what can we do? I would usually go out on the street for a walk, but I'm not sure if I want to do that because that's showing where I live and stuff. So I'm not going to be giving you any of my personal... Yeah, we'll do that tomorrow because it's kind of a bit dark now and a bit late.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'm just waiting around to see if we have fireworks or not. I hope we do because that will be more entertainment for you guys. And so we're going to keep Cookie inside at all times. So if you're like, oh, you're abusing your dog or something, we're not, because we're going to keep Cookie inside at... Excuse me, at all times. So, yeah, it's not abusing our dog, is it? If she's inside and the door is closed, not locked, but closed, and we're out there. We're out here.
No more dogs are outside.
I'm pretty sure they're not outside. I hope they're not. Cookie, come here. Look. Come here. We're not able to catch her, like, she's just too fast. Now she's eating my cameraman's shoes, well, for today, right now. Cookie, yeah. Okay, so guys, there's my brother in there. Say hi. So he actually got hurt. So yeah, what can I do? Me? Wrong? Never. So I love these little they're jazz pants, and I absolutely love them. Like, you can kind of see them in the reflection of the mirror, but you can see Owen jumping around with the dog as well. So, ow, Jake, are we lighting the fireworks? When? Ouch! Look, Cookie, inside. Come on. So, good. No. So, there she is. No. Oh, Cookie. So, we don't know when we're lighting the fireworks. I see a crack. Yes, you are right. Come on. So, I'll be filming the fireworks piece, and Owen will be enjoying the fireworks. But
Yep.
I will too.
Back there.
Yes, over there, right over there, where no one knows.
Back there.
Oh, oh, guys, we're getting them.
Okay,
Yes. So I'll hold it. So we're actually lighting the fireworks. Yay! Guys, entertainment! So this is for my video. And yeah. So, oh yeah, how is Cookie? So, okay, so this is what we're going to be doing. Jake, stand back. So this is, oh, Cookie. Get Cookie.
Okay. She'll be scared of the fireworks.
Yeah.
How do you like them?
That's them. And get Aiden. Jake, go inside. Fireworks. Oh, again. Again, guys. So this
Where's
is the
AJ?
fireworks.
Adrian! Don't even go that Stand back.
Guys, we're lit. So guys, this is
Yeah. All the excitement is over.
Now, so these are the fireworks after being lit. So,
So there's still smoke coming out and stuff.
Smell them.
oh, okay,
Oh!
they smell disgusting.
They smell like, what do they smell like? Popcorn or something?
They smell like burnt popcorn.
Yeah.
That's what they smell like.
Let me smell. Oh, guys, that's
So,
nasty.
here's the two fireworks. You can see there's 7 shots.
So
in
we
each.
can keep them.
We'll keep these.
Yeah.
Would I just run them under the water? Maybe?
No, just leave them.
Yeah, okay.
We could just put them in under the press because, yeah, that was good entertainment.
That was cool.
No, bring that inside. Bring them inside. Yeah.
We make something out of them.
No.
Okay, so
That was good entertainment, guys. So I hope you liked
was
that.
good, wasn't it?
Cool out, isn't it?
So, guys, subscribe, hit the like button, and yeah, if you have any videos, ideas for me to do, comment down below and show this to all your friends and family and get them to subscribe and like and hit the little bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So, yeah, thanks to Owen for videoing my video, yeah. And then this is my brother. He's ripping apart the fireworks. But yeah, Jake, look. So, yeah. So, gonna go back upstairs really quick. This is one of the long videos. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, that was really cool. There's Cookie. Say bye-bye. Okay, see you guys. Could you so like,